it's Christine, and today we are unboxing succulents and top dressings sent to us by the Next Gardener online succulent nursery. And look guys, I see the plants already and I'm super excited. It's like Christmas Day all over again. You see how nice they all look? So I'm just taking out all these cotton packing stuff to make sure the succulents don't get squished in the mail, right? And then I think over here I have some succulent cuttings, and I believe these are the bigger succulents. So if you visit their website, I believe they sell an assortment of succulent cuttings. So this would be an example of what they would send, and these I actually requested to be sent to me. But look at this one right here. I believe this one is called an Echeveria Violet Queen, and look at how nice and healthy that is. A little bit of soil, but you know, that's how it is when you get succulent mail. But look at how beautiful it still is despite being in the mail for a few days. It's still nice and compact and healthy. This one here is one of my all-time favorites. This is called a Graptoveria Purple Delight. And look at how nice she is. It's really nicely stressed, and it stayed nice and compact despite being in the box. This is how healthy they send out their succulents. I'm not actually quite sure what the exact ID of this one is, but this looks a lot like Pachyphytum machucae baby fingers. So that's actually a Korean import. I'm not quite sure if this is one of them, but I will double check with them. But look at how beautiful and chubby that is. I love this. Super excited about this one because I've been wanting this. I believe this one right here is called an Echeveria Lolita, if I am correct. And look how nice and healthy she is. Next up, I think this one is called an Echeveria Neon Breaker, I believe. And look at the colors and the frills on this one. It's so cute. Next here, I think, if I don't have the correct IDs, guys, I will provide the correct IDs on the screen up top. And I think this is either an Echeveria Malacco. It's super cute, and it's like black and purple and green and reddish. Look at how pretty that is. It's so nice and healthy. And then up next here, I believe this is an Echeveria elegans. I have one of these, but it's not this big, and this one is nice. Look at the nice compact growth on top, guys. You can tell that they're getting the right amount of sun wherever they came from, and look how pretty that is. And then here, I actually looked this one up on their website. I think it's an Echeveria subsessilis morning beauty, but on their website it's labeled as Echeveria Desmentiana or something like that. But these are very prolific and grow a lot of babies, and they're really easy to take care of. These are called Graptoveria Lovely Rose. They're not that easy to find online, guys, and they have some available currently on the website. I don't know if they have any left, but definitely get them while you can. Graptoveria Lovely Rose. Aren't they super cute? I think they're quite rare, at least in the United States, or at least where I'm from, because they are hard to source, and these are so beautiful and healthy. They are a little bit more delicate to ship, but look at how well they ship, guys, because these guys are so good at packaging their succulents. There's another one. Oh, this one's kind of a big one. Graptoveria Lovely Rose. And then let me show you this one. They are so pretty. And on to unwrapping the succulent cuttings. So aside from selling succulents in sets of 2-inch pots, they also have an array of succulent cuttings that they sell. Oh, look at this. It's a variegated jade. I will have the ID up on top for you, but look at how nice and healthy that is. It's like it wasn't even shipped. It looks like they just cut it today and sent it. Look at how beautiful that is. So the Next Gardener offers free shipping for most orders and ship year-round to the contiguous United States. So make sure you guys check out their website. Oh, I don't have this. I forgot what this is called, but this is a really lovely succulent. I haven't seen this in a long time. It feels fake, guys, but it's not. What is this one? I'm so amazed, guys. I am so amazed at the quality of the succulents that they sent me. They're all really nice and healthy. Here's another Crassula and looks as fresh as ever. Oh, I think this one is a Graptosedum California Sunset. Look at how nice and red and beautiful she is. These are jelly beans. Look at that. They're still like really nice and fat and plump. Let's see what this one is. Ooh. This is some sort of, this is a type of Adramishcus. Look at that. It's the size of a perfect, it's the shape of a perfect heart. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how nice and healthy and fat and plump and shiny. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much, The Next Gardener. I do not have this one yet, and I can't find these at my local nurseries. Thank you. These are random. They just sent me what they thought, I would like, or the nicest ones that they have, and I love everything. Oh, I don't have this one either. Oh, this one, I think this is called a Peperomia graveolens, right? I don't have this, and it's so nice. I love everything. Oh, it's fuzzy. I think it is a chocolate soldier, right? This one is a chocolate soldier, the long one, or is this still a panda plant? Because I also have a panda plant, but this one looks like the leaves are a lot longer. Let me remove the cottony stuff. Oh, look how beautiful and orange she is. This is called a Sedum nosbomeranium. Beautiful, beautiful succulent right there. This one is called a Kalanchoe fichenkoe, otherwise known as Kalanchoe lavender scallops. And this is a Graptosedum Ghosty. I love these guys. They make so many babies. Look at how beautiful that is. Last cutting here, we have, okay, I think this is either another California Sunset, right? Pretty, pretty. So I'm going to be providing the rec links down below in the description for all the products featured in this video, along with discount codes for the next time that you guys shop at The Next Gardener. And make sure that you also follow them on Instagram if you want any help IDing your succulents. They will try their best to help you. These are bigger, and they were covered. Well, they were packed in one of these things here, I guess, just to make sure that they stay secure. And then the little cotton stuff was just right on top so they don't get smushed. And look at what I have just uncovered, guys. This one here is called an Echeveria cubic frost. It's huge, guys. This is my hand. Look at how big that is in a 4-inch pot. And they sent me one that already has a big baby as well. This one here is called, I think, a Graptoveria Bashful. Look at how beautiful she is, and nice and red, and with a little baby on the side already. She looks like she wasn't even shipped. It looks like I went to their garden, I went to their nursery, I picked this out myself, bought it, and took it home. Look at how perfect it looks. Aside from, a little bit of soil from being in the box, it doesn't even look like it traveled. So aside from succulents, guys, The Next Gardener also sent me an array of different succulent top dressings, their own brand right there, The Next Gardener, and they have many different kinds. These are just some of them that they sent me, and I will be opening some of them to show you which ones I chose for them to send. I'm going to open the biggest one first. This one is called Green Zeolite. So there's really, really nice packaging, guys. Everything is just so well packaged. Oh, and there's the green zeolite right there. Let's open it. Look at this, guys. Look at how nice that is. It's like a nice turquoise olive green. Is that even a color? Turquoise olive green. But I love this. I'm going to make a fairy garden arrangement for you guys in the next few days, and I'm definitely going to use these rocks. Green zeolite. Next up is white onyx, guys. Look at how beautiful these white pebbles are. Perfect for any succulent. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Look at how pretty. This is their red pebbles. This is the black one. And they have this, and then they have some bigger ones available as well. These are the finer black ones, and I love this, guys. All right, plant buddies, that concludes our huge succulent unboxing from the Next Gardener. Thank you so much for sending me all these products, these lovely, lovely, healthy succulents. Look at them, guys, up close. I'm gonna show you. Look at how beautiful and healthy they are. They look like I just went to their nursery and bought them and picked them out. They don't even look like they traveled at all. And I have ordered from a lot of different websites before. These by far are the healthiest looking succulents that I have ever received from the mail. And look at this beautiful Adromishcus, okay? There is a leaf there. Look, it's a perfectly shaped heart. How adorable is that? And it's so nice and chubby. I love it. Make sure you subscribe to the Next Gardener's YouTube channel to stay updated with the newest product releases they have, along with succulent tutorials and care tips. Don't forget to visit thenextgardener.com as well as their Amazon store. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, this is Christine from These Succulent Biddies. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.